Hey guys, so today I woke up and I didn't want to make myself like a heavy plate, so I just made myself an oatmeal with banana and apple, and I like to blend in my strawberries with my nuts and my vitamins, and then I mix that into the oatmeal, and that way it tastes like really good, almost like a milkshake, and it tastes really good. And with the toppings, it gives you like a good crunch and some flavor, so it's not that dry. I know I'm not the only one, but I've been so obsessed with K-dramas. Literally, I've been watching them like back to back. Right now I'm watching Bon Appetit, Your Majesty. It's on Netflix, and basically I literally watch all of the K-dramas on Netflix because I don't think the other streaming platforms have it. But the first one I ever watched was Business Proposal, and that was literally a 10 out of 10. Okay, like everything was so funny, and like the plot was really good. I know like for a lot of K-dramas it's either like in the dynasty era or it's like the CEO and like the worker type plot, but like each show is like really like funny and unique, and like all of them are really good. And the one that was different from those like typical plots was Mr. Plankton, and that one literally shook me to the core. I was like, what the heck? It was so good, and I just RIP. Literally RIP. I'm like, let me just watch my K-drama and finish my bowl. Okay guys, we are heading to Home Goods because I'm redecorating my room, so I'm looking for lamps and also like bedding, but also I'm just trying to see what they have in store because I think I might just get things online, but I just want to go in person. Yeah, let's go. So cute. Look at the plushies. They have really cute stuff for Halloween though. Oh my gosh, these are so good, but like, can you trust these though? I don't know if they're like stale though. Like mochi, instant bubble tea. What the heck? Look, Maddie, you love seaweed. Wait, why is it looking good? Like they have so many things. They have mochi, but I don't know if I can trust these. Like, why are they here? Chili chews. Whoa, wait, what? Wait, they have like noodles already cooked in the bag? They have a lot of things though. Oh, what? They have Dubai chocolates. Dubai chocolate, man. And they have Dubai macarons. Are you serious? They have so many things actually. Wow. Okay, let's keep looking. Let's go to the bedding section actually. I was specifically looking for a duvet cover, but I can't find anything that I like. Look at this one. It's like really cute, and it has like a ruffle like on the end, and it's literally my size. But I'm looking for a striped duvet, but I was looking specifically for the ones that have a thicker stripe and are like colored differently. I don't know why, but like I don't like anything and it's kind of dry. This map is really cool, but it's too big for my room, and then I feel like I wanted one that was kind of like this, like dainty, but I think it's too black. I wanted like a pop of color, either like red or like an orange. We found some lamps that I thought were really cute, and I might want this like on the table. I don't know if I should get this. But I like that you don't need a wire for this, and I can just put like batteries And then I can maybe switch out the, hold on, let me see if I can switch out the, yeah, I can. And I could put it in like a warmer tone light. I don't know if I want the blue one. Okay, you know what? I want the yellow one. Why is it on sale? Does it not work? Yes, I'll be taking this one. Whenever I come to Home Goods, I love just looking at the notebooks. I don't really use them, but I love stationery. And look how cute this one is. It's like sardines. So cute. It's a notepad. I love this. This is cute. And then I find these to be like cheaper too. Like they have like cute like planners. Like if I use them, you know, I would be here like every year. But I literally get a planner and then I forget about it. Bad habit, like I know. But they have some cute stuff. Well, I have my my LED light because it's nighttime now, but we secured my lamp and now we're gonna go check out the road. What's up with the radio? It's like so loud. Yeah, so let's go. Let's go. Gosh, you guys, it's so cute. Look.
What?
Hey guys, so today I'm gonna make my birthday pie because I don't eat cake, so I'm gonna make myself a chocolate pie. And I have my mom, she's in the background because she's gonna help me do it. So it's her recipe, but she just laid out all the ingredients for me and I'm gonna make it for you guys. So the first step, I guess, is to smash the banana. But anyway, you guys, it's gonna be my 22nd birthday tomorrow and I don't have anything planned out. I'm just gonna have like a dinner at home and then blow out my candles. I'm gonna add all the wet ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna add the milk. Okay, I'm gonna start mixing my bowl up. Okay, so I'm just gonna get a bowl because now I'm gonna mix all of my ingredients. But since I like my stuff a little bit healthy, I decided to make it out of almond flour and then oat flour. Okay, I'm gonna add these into my bowl. Okay, I have a whisk. And then I'm just gonna mix the flour up. I'm just gonna bring... Okay, so I forgot to add the sugar into the bowl with the wet ingredients. And I'm just gonna quickly mix it up. And we're gonna do the base of the pie, so that's like the crust. And then the filling is obviously gonna be chocolate. Tenías que quitar. Okay. Yeah. Alright, you guys, it's ready. When I start. Okay, I'm gonna start flattening it out. ¿La pongo arriba? Okay. Go con la pala? Alright guys, let's flatten it out. And we're gonna try to make a little circle all evenly. And the goal is to make it this size, so I just have to measure it out. Okay. ¿Cómo se hace? ¿Con todo el papel? No, todo el papel. Yes. Alright guys. It's in the mold. So now we're gonna prepare the chocolate filling. So let's do that right now. Okay, I'm just waiting for the oven to set, but in the meantime, I have curated like a couple questions to answer while we bake. I might, oh, it's ready. All right, good, it's in. Again, let me set the timer for 10 minutes at 400 degrees. So what's one thing you're absolutely not taking with you into the next year? Okay, and this is something that I've been working on, and it's like a work in progress, but that is leaving things for the very last minute or procrastinating on things that I want to do but like not do them. For example, I have to build my website for my art portfolio, and I've been procrastinating on it, but recently I've been easing myself into it a little bit more and actually minimizing, I guess, the task, because in my head I'm like, oh no, I have to finish the whole website. But what is helping me right now is kind of like splitting that task into like little sections where I'm just like, okay, let me just go on my computer and pick out the typefaces or the fonts for my website, and I'm just like going through that. And then the next step is actually like working on the layout. I'm just like breaking it down so it's easier. That's one thing I'm working on, and I don't want to bring into the next year. What's a small decision that ended up changing your lives? Okay, so it's something that was pivotal, but it dramatically changed my life into a 360, I think, was when I decided to pursue graphic design and ended up going to community college to pursue that. Like throughout high school, middle school, elementary school, I have always been an art kid, and I liked painting, but I never thought that I could pursue it professionally. So it was kind of in the back of my head that I liked art, but never really thought that I would pursue it intentionally until COVID, when I was still in high school and I was deciding what to do, and my mom was like, no, you can't even drive, and I don't think that it's a good idea for you to dorm at a university, because it was COVID. So I decided to just like pursue graphic design, and I was thinking of doing like business marketing like my sister, or like I also at one point thought that I was going to be a dentist, and that's what I had told my art teacher at the time, that I wanted to pursue like dentistry, but then didn't end up doing that. So that was something that literally changed my life, but it was such a small decision because it was literally choosing a major, and it literally changed the whole course of what I'm doing like professionally as a student, you know, everything. So that was really cool. But I think my pie is getting burnt, so let me check it out. it over to you guys so you guys can see how delicious my pie looks. Damn. Sweet 22nd birthday. Yay! Alrighty guys, we're done. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. It is finally, you guys, done. Perfect. Now let's celebrate.